Okay, so in this video, I just want to show you how you would add your infographic and any document to your shared Google Drive. So that's the Google Drive that you're sharing with your other two group members and me. So right now I've just opened up a blank Google Drawing. Yours would have your infographic on there, which I know you've already done since you submitted it to Canvas. So you want to go back to your Google Drawing, pull it up, and just go to this button here that says Move, okay, and find the Google Drive that I shared, the Google folder, sorry, that I shared with you yesterday. So we have 6 groups, so pick the group that you are in. You will only see one of those groups, so you'll know that's yours. And just click on that and click Move, and it will appear in that group's Google folder. Okay? So please email me if you have any questions about that.